Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to do an unboxing on this phone lot I bought on eBay. See, address is on the other side, so I'm trying to hide this. There's our first phone. It is a ZTE Z2222. That's the model number. There it is. This is on AT&T. It has no battery. Looks to be in decent shape though. Here we have an LG AX275 PK. On Altel, no battery. I'd say an average shape. It's got some pretty decent damage on some of the corners. And I am a little bit sick today, so if I sound a little different, that's probably why. This is LG 109C is the model number on it. There we go. No battery as well. It's in a lot rougher shape than the other two. A lot of scratches on the display too. This is a Sony Ericsson model S710A. It seems to have no battery. It is on singular. Lens cover there. And this, the reason I bought the lot was because of this phone. So it's in decent shape. A little bit of cleaning. It's got some paint coming off of it, but I should be able to make it work. Probably have to buy a battery for it, so it's a proprietary battery I don't have. This one doesn't have a battery either. Pantech P9020. That's a different kind of design there on that one. No battery on it. This is I'm guessing a hotspot, yeah, T-Mobile hotspot thing, which it has a battery at least. Model MF61, so don't really know what to do with it, but it looks to be new. Yeah. So there's that. Good old Motorola V3 looks like. I don't see. Yeah, there it is up there by the battery terminal. Moto V3. Water indicator is red. It's got a cracked camera lens. Some deep scratches on their front glass. Keyboards are obviously yellow because I don't know, all the older ones get really yellow. It's missing the Motorola emblem up here. No SIM card either. So there's that one. Here is an LG, I think it's a CU500, if I remember right. Yep, CU500. No SIM card. It does have an SD card in it though. A 1 gigabyte. Looks to be an alright shape, really dirty up in the cracks and stuff. Extremely dirty, but seems to be in really good shape. And it looks like this is the last phone for this unboxing. This one I'm probably just gonna break, to be honest with you guys. Probably do a drop test on this one. Model A574BL. It's on TracFone Wireless, as you see there. Water indicator is red. Let's see, it's Aucatel. I haven't really been a fan of these kinds of devices. Micro USB charging port on the bottom. You see it's really rough too. And then also I did a I got another lot and I didn't do an unboxing video of it. So I'll tell you, the one phone that was in there was a Sanyo, I can't remember, SCP-6760. That was in there. I ended up getting it to work. The inner screen and everything works, but the outer little mini display right here doesn't work, but the keypad works. So I think the front screen's gone bad. That came in a lot. And then let me pause this, I'll grab the other one. This one also came in that lot, and then an LG AX, I think it was a 145. It didn't work at all. I plugged it in, let it sit there for about an hour. Phone got really hot, no signs of life, display never came on, put a different battery in it. Same thing, no signs of life. So I ended up just, I think I ended up breaking it, to be honest. This is the AudioVox. It is a CDM 8915. VM, Private Virgin Mobile is what I'm guessing that stands for. The battery is extremely bloated, so haven't even tried to charge this one because it probably won't charge. But like I said, there's no power on it. But this one and this one came in a lot, so I'll figure to give you an update on those two there. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.